Today we're working on my 1969 Plymouth Satellite. It's got a 318 with a 904 transmission. It's been leaking tranny fluid pretty bad. Seems like mostly when I'm parked it's leaking. I thought I'd start with an easy fix, which is to change out the gasket because it wasn't leaking from the tail shaft. Once you jack the car up, make sure you put jack stands underneath, engage your parking brake, and put in a wheel chock or two. First order of business is to remove the tranny pan. When you drain the pan, make sure you have a bucket and a catch pan in place. Time to remove and inspect the old gasket, clean the tranny pan, and inspect for metal shards. Add your sealant and the new gasket. Remove the transmission filter with the 3 screws and install a new one. Make sure to clean the mating surface really well so that it gets a proper seal when you put the pan back on. Replace the pan and tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern. Top off the tranny. I thought I had lost my tranny dipstick. Turns out it had fallen through the engine bay and I found it while I was changing out the gasket. As an update, this did not fix my tranny leak, so now I'm on to the next step.